Hundreds of Tennesseans are vaccinated tonight. Shipments of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine have made their way to the Tennessee Valley, marking a milestone in the fight against COVID. But it isn't over yet. Numbers of positive cases are soaring. In Hamilton County, the health department announced a third day in a row of new cases at or above 500. We showed you last night doctors in Nashville and Knoxville who were among the first to get the vaccine. Well, today, Channel 3's Mary Frances Hoots was at CHI Memorial as employees received their first doses. She has a look at the pivotal moment.
A mix between 5 doctors and nurses were the first 5 employees here at CHI Memorial to receive the vaccine. Now, the hospital received 975 doses in total, and they're prepared to administer those up through Tuesday. But they said they have the capacity to give out 250 doses a day. A day for the history books in the Tennessee Valley.
It's a day of celebration.
Just 9 months after the first COVID-19 case was confirmed in Hamilton County.
That Hamilton County has been notified of our first case of the COVID-19 virus.
A vaccine was delivered to the region to combat the deadly virus.
To begin to see that light at the end of the tunnel and to think that, I'm fortunate enough to be part of that.
Thursday, 5 employees at CHI Memorial received the vaccine. It's not required for their staff, but the doctors who took it say they hope to set an example for others.
It's important that those of us who have been trained for this set the example and show that we believe that these vaccines work.
No one has a better view of how the virus has impacted lives than those who work directly with COVID patients every day. One of those people is a nurse in the critical care unit, Tiffany Dover.
It's been a hard time. We've persevered through it, but I think that this vaccination offers us hope.
10 minutes after the shot,
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dover became lightheaded and passed out while speaking with us. She told us this is not an uncommon reaction for her, and she explained to us what happened shortly after.
I have a history of having an overactive vagal response, and so with that, if I have pain from anything, hangnail, or if I stub my toe, I can just pass out.
All others said the process was easy and without incident. The doctors and nurses who received the vaccine are humbled and grateful to be part of it and encourage those who have the option to get vaccinated.
It's the right thing to do, it's safe, and it is ultimately what's going to lead us out of this darkness.
In the meantime, the vaccines will be stored in their pharmacy in an ultra-cold freezer that gets to 60 to 80 degrees below Celsius.